This demo will introduce you to the main aspects of the personalization capabilities of SAP Business by Design. The entire SAP Business by Design solution can be personalized, and the level of personalization depends on the area that you want to personalize. As an example, you will see how to personalize a Workcenter overview page and a Workcenter view page. First, let's go to the Workcenter overview page of the Workcenter sales order. To open the personalization mode, click the Me icon and select Start Personalization Mode. Note that even when you have entered the personalization mode, you can continue using SAP Business by Design. You can also click the question mark to hide the sidecar. This will not close the personalization mode. If you want to see an overview of all possible changes for the overview page, click the How Can I button. The different options are listed in the drop-down list, and when you click one, a short description appears below it. Let's start with the Quick Links card, which provides the user direct access to the most important topics. The content of the quick links is predefined, and you can decide which of the links should be displayed. To personalize the quick link list, click the Settings symbol to open the Settings screen. Here, you can define the card width and choose the links that should be displayed. To save your changes, click Apply. Next, the KPIs. If you want to add a new KPI, click the plus button and, in the gallery that appears, choose the KPI tab. If you want to add a new KPI, just click the pin, apply the changes, and the new KPI immediately appears on the screen. If you want to add a new report, again click the plus button and go to the Report tab. You can add a specific report by clicking the plus symbol. If you want to add different views of this report, you can add multiple cards of the same report by increasing the number. Click Apply to save your selection. The new report immediately appears on the screen. If you want to delete content from the overview page, just click the cross. In addition to adding new KPIs and reports, you can also personalize existing ones. To personalize an available KPI, click the Settings symbol to open the Settings screen. Here, you can define the card width, how the KPI is displayed, whether additional values should be displayed, and the refresh rate. To save your changes, click Apply. To personalize an available report, again click the Settings symbol to open the Settings screen. Here you can define the card width, the report selection, and the report view, or you can set the refresh rate for the report. To save your changes, click Apply. Besides adding or deleting content, you can also personalize the layout of the overview page by dragging and dropping the displayed content. Let's continue with the personalization of the sales order view page as an example of a Workcenter view page. A Workcenter view page consists of two parts. First, the table in which the Workcenter view related items, in this case the sales orders, are listed. Second, the detailed section, in which detailed information about the item selected in the table is displayed. If you click the arrow, Show Children, next to the Visible checkbox of the sales order table, you can see all table columns that are available. To hide or display a column, you simply need to select the Visible checkbox. Alternatively, you can open the context menu with a right mouse click. In the context menu, you can also hide or show a link, as well as change the title of the column. The sections in the detailed area can can be personalised in the same way as the sales orders table. In addition, in the context menu you can change the order of the field by clicking Move and then clicking the arrow to move the field. Alternatively, you can change the order of the field using drag and drop. When you have finished personalising the Workcentre view page, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button. You can also undo your last change, or discard or cancel the changes for the entire screen. To exit the personalisation mode, click the Me icon and select Stop Personalisation Mode.